If Google Maps isn't showing the route you want, here's how you can change it. First of all, open the Google Maps app on your phone, then enter your destination. After that, tap on Directions. Google Maps will automatically suggest a default route, but you will also see alternative routes in gray. Just tap on any of those gray lines to instantly switch to a different route, and that's all. Now, if you want to completely customize your trip, like avoiding tolls or highways, just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select Options. Here, you can toggle on boxes like avoid tolls, avoid highways, or even avoid ferries. Once done, hit done or just go back and Google Maps will update the route based on your preferences. And there you go, a quick way to change the route in Google Maps the way you want. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.